Spy fans, before I get into this video, can I give a massive shout out to the Ultimate Spider-Man fan, because he needs he needs a lot more subscribers to reach 10k subscribers. That way he could do a face reveal. So yeah, go subscribe to the Ultimate Spider-Man fan, my Spidey bro. And subscribe to Spider Boy, because he needs a lot more subscribers as well too. And Gaston Spider-Man, he needs a lot more subscribers also. The Amazing Spider-Man fan Spidey, he needs a lot more. And Spidey Ricky as well too. Go subscribe to his channel. And also subscribe to my channel as well too, because I need to reach to 100k subscribers to do a debut video. And I'm also need 200k more subscribers to do a video, to do a Lego Star Wars Big Book reading video. So yeah, go to my channel and subscribe to me as well. So yeah, so other than that, Spy fans, let's get on with the unboxing video that I'm getting ready to do. So yeah, enjoy. Hey Spy fans, this is your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man Peter Parker here. And yes, not in my Spider-Man clothes this time. So yeah, this unboxing video is gonna be, ta-da! The Spider-Man Snuggle Buddy. Just got them today, so yep. Plus they already ripped the tape off, so go ahead, check them out. So yeah, here he is. It's very nice looking Spider-Man plush toy, so yep, very nice. And if you look back here, he has a zipper right here, in which he has a price inside, which I can show you. A beanbag, so yep. Oh yeah, Spy fans, before that I already did got done my unboxing of this Spider-Man plush toy. I'm so go show you what else I got. So yeah. Okay. Yep, it's a Spider-Man cup. So yep. So yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this unboxing video of this Spider-Man plush toy for these Spidey fans out there. So yeah, thank you incredibly so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see all you Spidey fans as always in my epic Spidey videos. It's your friendly neighborhood Spider Cub. Over and out.